So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my first kind of vlog style video, and I am bringing in my husband Corey. Say hi, Corey. So this is his first time on my channel, and this video is gonna be super fun. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. We're gonna do basically a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna come up with a Christmas look, and then we're gonna do a part 2 where Corey tries to recreate the Christmas look. So in this video, Corey is going to be observing and trying to learn all of my fabulous makeup techniques. How do you feel about that?
Bring it on.
My skin was thirsty. Okay, so the first thing I do is I put on my foundation. I have a liquid foundation by Mary Kay. Let me focus in on it. Time Wise. I don't know if you can read it, but it's pretty special. I really like this foundation because it's lightweight and my skin doesn't need a lot of coverage. So take a little dab. I just kind of like throw it wherever I want on my face. Like that. Oh yeah, check that out. And I know it kind of looks like a lot, but because this is lightweight, it doesn't like show up like a cake face or anything. What do you think about this? Are you paying attention?
I'm trying to.
Okay, because you're gonna have to redo this, you know. Something you'll notice about my makeup routine is I don't really use specifically any brand, and I don't really buy high-end makeup. I just kind of do what I want, and I like how it turns out. So for my eyebrows, I have this little baby brush here. There's a brow brush. It's just like a little brow brush. And I have this thing I got at Walmart or Amazon. I think it was $2. And I'm really happy with it. What I usually do is I take a little bit of powder, blow it off, and then whoop, and then I just make a little line like that, and I go down. Wow. And here's the thing, I had to completely invent my own eyebrow thing because there's no like tutorials or makeup things for gingers in this whole world, and I don't know why, because I feel like there are a lot of gingers out there, people with red hair and fair skin, but I never find any good ginger makeup tutorials other than like a basic red lip and mascara, and I honestly think we're better than that, guys. So here I am, making a way for the world, making a way for my people.
Wow.
Yeah, there was no way. I'll make a way where there was no way. Okay, so you see that? That looks pretty light, because it is pretty light. That's all I did. And now, there's this little brush. It's like a little brow brush that comes in here, and a gel. I take the gel, put it on the brush. Wow. I don't know why I blow on it, but I do. And then you just kind of fill in your brows, like so. Just so they have color. Some people are like brow obsessed. You know those chicks?
Obsessed or obsessed?
Obsessed. They're like obsessed with their brows.
Obsessed.
So all they do all freaking day is their eyebrows. Plucking, threading,
Well, wasn't that
shaping, everything.
But that was a thing, wasn't it? Like brows on fleek or whatever.
You know it is a thing. It will always.
It's still a thing?
Just brows.
People, there's more to life than eyebrows.
Woo!
Man, I think
Look at them bushy brows.
I think the main thing I'm realizing here is how blessed it is that I don't put makeup on in my life.
No, baby, it's fun. It's fun.
I'm just so grateful to do it.
It's honestly, women out there, we are artists, true artists. Make a mess of it.
I think right now a lot of people are doing more like Picasso style makeup.
Yeah, so you know, some people when they do their makeup, it's like Mona Lisa, and some people it's abstract art, depending on what you're working with. So yeah, eyebrows, check. You look good. Am I right? So, okay, since I don't have any cover up, I'm gonna use like a mixture. I have this contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I actually like to take a little more of my foundation and then I put it underneath my eyes. And I go up, and then I also go on my eyelids with it. Why? Because I just feel like it. I just don't like any feeling of like dark under my eyes. And that's how I roll. And I take this little brush right here, one of these little foam things. I got this on wish.com for $1. That's the kind of person I am. I just rub that in.
She wished for it.
I wished for
She
it.
got
It
it.
came. Okay, and then I take my Anastasia palette. Anastasia, and it's not very clean, so sorry about that, but this is real life, candid. I take some of this highlighter, and then I just go under my eyes and up. So, okay, the next step I like to do is my eyeshadow. And I have a lot of different eyeshadow palettes. But let's see what we want to use for my Christmas look. Christmas time is here. I love this palette by Mimi. Mimi. Oh my gosh, it's just my phone in there. Look at the phone, look at it. You look at it, you look at it. Are you learning anything?
No. So I'm kind of observing.
You have to learn because you're gonna have to do this.
Well, I mean, yeah, I'm trying, but it's just so many little factors.
It's
and
it's
there's so
easy.
many little creams and pastes.
So many little creams
and whatever
pastes.
girls use, and it's like, how do I know which one?
Listen, Linda, I'm simple. There's a lot of chicks out there who. Alright, so I have an eyeshadow palette that I think I got it at Ross, like in the discount thing, and I love it. I use this thing right here. I use all these for highlighter, and I literally use this color for like contouring on my cheeks when I want to use a powder instead of a like gel contour. And I use this for blush, and I use this all for like eyeshadow. So I don't know, I think it's supposed to originally be eyeshadow, but I use it for whatever I want. I think that I'm gonna use a mixture between this one here and my Decadence. I'm gonna start on my eyelids. I'm gonna take the red color in here. We're gonna get a little cray-cray because it's Christmas time. We're gonna use this like really pretty orangey red. And I'm just gonna throw it on my eyelid. Throw it on up there, do my thing. And I'm trying to keep it like below where the crease and stuff is. I just want like a nice part on my bottom here, right on the bottom part of my lid. Then we're gonna take this color called Lavish. Lavish, right there. And I'm gonna go in the crease right here. We're getting brave. I'm not going all the way up, but I'm going mostly over here on the sides. Alright, so it looks a little cray-cray, but I also don't have my eyelashes on and I'm a ginger, and that's why. So when you're a ginger, just get brave with it and do what you want, and then if you're like, I look horrible or gothic, just take it off. But I think the worst thing I've ever done with makeup as a ginger is just not play with it, because I felt like I was limited to a certain look because of my hair color, and I don't think that that's right. And I'm gonna take the ruby color because it's so Christmassy, and I'm gonna go right here. Wow. Wow. What do you think so far, baby?
It's nice.
Yeah. It's not done yet. All right, and then I'm actually gonna use my brow brush, the other end of my brow brush, and I'm gonna go back in with one of these beautiful browns. The sparkly one, let's do the sparkly one. Right there. And I'm just gonna go like right here. And what this does is makes my eyes look bigger than they are. All right, so you see that? My eyes look bigger because it's around the edges, and I really value that. Then I'm gonna take a clean brush. I'm gonna use this because it's the only one I have left. And I'm gonna take one of these little highlighters, and I'm gonna go under my brow. Now we're gonna take this eyeliner pencil. We're gonna put on this eyeliner, and we're gonna do it super, super light on the tip right here of my eyelid.
That's so freaky.
Like, I barely even do it. It's just like there. More like even on my eyelash line, and just on the other side too. Before I do mascara, I'm just gonna do a little bit of contour. I'll show you what I do for contour. You can do contour when you're a redhead, despite popular belief. I use this brush, and then I go in with the lightest color, which is this one, and I just dab it down my cheek. And I actually put it on my hairline right there. Because as you can see, all those baby hairs are blonde, and so it makes me look a little bald up here. So I just go down my, I go down my hairline right here and on the edges, and it just helps the shape of my forehead to look smaller. Are you still laughing? What? You're just jealous because I make my forehead look good. Honestly, I'm looking real good right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm gonna use my Benefit Reflect Lash mascara. And I just, you know, have you ever seen this happen?
It's so freaky. I don't like it.
Looks so good. I'm obsessed. All right, and then the last thing we have to do is lips. At least put something on them, right?
Right.
Ugh, don't be crazy.
Don't be crazy.
Please. Sometimes I use lipstick, but I actually like to use a mixture between eyeshadow and chapstick. And I honestly just like using eyeshadows because you can do whatever color you want. And it usually just stays on, it looks good, and all that jazz. So I put a little bit of chapstick on first. Rub it all around. I'm just gonna mix some of the colors from this palette because I like them.
Wow.
I'm just gonna use this brush. I'm gonna take it off the palette and just put it on my lips and rub it in till it looks smooth, till it looks like almost like a matte lipstick. That's the goal here. There's the holiday makeup look. And this makeup look would work during any time of the year, but I think especially during the holidays, it's beautiful and romantic for like any sort of family get-togethers or holiday events, and you can wear a pretty dress and nice earrings, and it's like you look real hot without trying too hard. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and keep looking out for part 2 because it's gonna be hilarious and hopefully great. I think he's gonna do a good job. What do you think, baby?
Yeah, it's gonna be one to remember. It's gonna be the greatest makeup tutorial you've ever seen.
The greatest makeup tutorial you've ever seen. Tune in next time.